Hello traders, ODK here once again. It's November 6th, 2009. Nice Friday around noontime. And the markets are up. A bit surprising considering that our unemployment numbers have risen again to an all-time high above 10%. And yet the markets still managed to have an upside bias. Taking a look into today's action on the E-mini futures of the S&P 500, you could see here that, well, of course I'm bullish, like I have been for the last couple videos, even when we're going down. But in any case, you could see here that overnight, starting at yesterday's close or so, we consolidated, got the EMAs tightening up, and when we opened around here at 8:30 and popped up, and we formed if you put in last night's action, we put in a symmetrical triangle in which we've just broken out of and formed a high base. That is allowing our EMAs to span out, which is bullish to my eye, as I think that will sustain a rally into the close. I'm not really sure how I intend to go into the weekend at this time, but as it stands, we are looking bullish. If you look at other indicators such as the VIX is declining here nicely. If we could get below this red trend line right here around 25, 24.91, if we could close below that on the VIX, that would be bullish, as well as closing below this EMAs. I think we have the 30 and the 50 causing support for the VIX right now, keeping it up. That's on the daily, but zooming in, you can see how we may go up and test it shortly, test the 25 or so going intraday. You can see, but as far as just the close, I'd like to close below the $25 mark, maybe somewhere down here by 24. The dollar also is looking nice on the as corroboration for a bull move in the broad markets. As you can see right here, we do have a double top at the 75.92 on the dollar futures, US dollar futures. I'm looking for us to continue to break down on these EMAs that are holding us up with support. Maybe we could get down here in this lower price channel down here and either consolidate at the low or just move around down there. Getting out of from up here would be bullish to my eye as well. If you expand the time frames, you could see that after that run up we had on Tuesday, which made the market sell off, we've just been declining slowly, and this is the first test that we had today of the 200 EMA. We failed against it, and we're forming a symmetrical triangle, which I would think would break down, or at least that's what I'm looking at per the MACD as well. As far as the equities that I'm trading, of course it's Apple and it's Google. Apple isn't looking as strong as I would like it to be, considering the strength that is in tech. But Google is, it's performing nicely to my eye. We are finding support on the EMAs, forming a ascending triangle. I would think that we would break out, going into the next couple candles, the next 3 or 4 or 5 minute candles. After we've high based up here and consolidated, broke down, I would think we would rally back up soon. Going out to like say a 15-minute time frame, you can see the same formation as we've tested it. That could be a double top right there. I just noticed that. Well, no, it's not. We have a higher. That's more of a symmetrical triangle. Sorry for the confusion. But yeah, that's what I see. There's also an inverse head and shoulders that's formed here. I'm also looking for that to break out. What's happening is all of this back here is causing a lot of resistance at these levels right here, so it may take a while, but it may be Wednesday or so. Hopefully it could be before the close today, though. That is still in the realm of the possibilities. And that's what I see. Oh yeah, I would also like to give a shout out to Amazon. Amazon was upgraded today. I'm not in it. I got scared out of it, but you know, it was worth noting that it gapped up, sold off a little bit, not all the way down to its lows, and began rallying again. So yeah, just those who are in Amazon, congratulations for such a brave play. Um, I'm catching up on some sleep today before I go into work, but for nice chats, I recommend going to Free Trading Videos. Everybody should be in there. I think I saw 44 people in the chats, having a nice conversation. Live chats keep you abreast on what's going on in the market. And as you can see, they're talking about Amazon as well. The force is too strong today for Amazon. They're talking about shorting it. I wouldn't short it for a while. You know, I'm a tech bull right now. I think the NASDAQ is pretty nice. But that's what I see to my eye. Trade well, trade smart, trade on. ODK out.